Backyard Nature Adventures. It is Friday, May 15th. I'm Beth, and it's raining! Yay! Finally, it's raining! Now, I have changed my location. I'm usually in the backyard at our main office for the Park District, but I had to find somewhere where I could put my camera under a roof on a porch. So I've moved to the front yard of the Lauer Historic Farm. And it's all about rain today. How exciting. It's warm today, so there's no excuse why you can't get outside and play. Get your umbrella, get your raincoat, get your, I can't even kick my foot up that high. Get your rubber boots and go play outside. Now, you may say, well, all right, Beth, I'll go outside, but what am I gonna do? There is so much that you can do, and today I'm gonna share with you some fun things to do in the rain. To start out with, if you've got an umbrella, you can twist it. And if there's someone standing next to you, twist it really fast so all the raindrops fly off the umbrella and hit the person that's next to you. How great fun is that? If you don't have an umbrella, that's okay too, because you can always go outside and sing. If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, so what a rain it would be. Standing outside with my mouth open wide. Ah, 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 ah. If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain that would be. And not only can you sing and dance. If you've never seen the YouTube video of Gene Kelly dancing in the rain, ask your big person to show that to you. Are you ready? Do 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 do. I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a wonderful feeling! I'm happy and dance. I'm singing in the rain, singing in the rain. Ha ha! How was that? And if you don't want to sing or dance, why, you can run in the rain. All kinds of different ways. Are you ready? Here we go. We're going to run. And if you don't want to if you don't want to run, what about going outside and twirling in the rain so fast that you get super dizzy and you fall down? All right, backyard buddies. No excuse not to go outside today. It's a fabulous day to go play outside. You can always do a little puddle jumping too. I don't have any puddles out here in my back or front yard, so I can't do that, but I know that you'll be able to do that at your house. All right, you guys have a fabulous weekend. Get outside and play in the rain at least 20 minutes today and make today a fabulous day to play outside. We'll see you on Monday. Bye.